Target. Promote to variable. Maybe? Nope, that didn't do it. I mean, I could always try to set up EQS, but EQS is... So, the environmental query system is a little interesting. I don't know if I'm going to be able to set this up. Let's see. Let's go with a simple grid. Okay. I have no idea what that's going to do. Guess we're gonna find out. Run EQS query. Query template, new environmental query. Get rid of this. Oh dear. I believe I've gone and done something that I don't know how to do, everybody. Excellent. I'm learning. Learning all the things not to do. Okay. There is a pretty cool thing where there is a testing actor, EQS testing pawn, that's the one, that you can place in the level. And if you set up your EQS right, it will show you. Currently, it is obviously not set up correctly. What is this? Should be visible in game. Query parameters. Don't need that. That's useless. Oh, hey, look, see? There we go. So I at least have something. I have stuff. And what this should show is the, like all these circles. Once we get it set up, it will actually show what areas are most likely to be selected. Or like if you give it particular information, let's say you're looking for a particular AI or you're looking for an item on the ground, it will actually find all of the items within the range and show you which one is most positive and most negative, which is pretty cool stuff. Alex Pascal is really good with this stuff. He's been working on it for a while. Value. I don't know what this is gonna do. Let's find out. Now let's try pathing grid instead of simple grid. Maybe that will make a difference. Max distance 500. Oh my god, what the hell is that? Okay, I've never done that before. Oh god. 100, space between 100. Okay, that's a little bit easier to see what's going on. So apparently, if you put less than 100 space between these, ladies and gentlemen, it will freak out. Now, it's not freaking out, as you can see. It's not registering anything, but it's not freaking out. Okay. Oh, maybe. Random move. So it should get the random move, run the EQS query, move to, wait, maybe. Oh, man, that just fell right through the map. Alright, you bastard. You gotta be polite to me. Right click, add test. Pathfinding? Random. That's, no, wait. No. Okay. I just made a mistake. Random no longer exists as of 4.8. Apparently it is not useful. And I may have just crashed the editor. Yeah, pretty sure I just crashed the editor. Doing good. Alright, well, let's close that. Oh god. Oh god, it's freaking out. Okay. Start task manager. Sorry about that, guys. I believe I officially have wrecked it. Yep, there it is, not responding. And apparently I still have save content up. I don't know why. Oh wow, it is like... It is not liking the close thing here. Sorry it's taking so long, guys. It is yeah, it's not happy. At all. Okay. Oh wow. I may have flubbed it like hard. Yeah, I'm only using 3 million K on my UE4 editor exe here. And there we go. Okay. There we go. Let's get that closed. I'm going to open this, and while I am opening that, I'm going to go ahead and open a tutorial. I'm totally not cheating right now. We're going to go over a tutorial. Let's see. I need behavior tree. Let me see here. I believe we have one in Epic Created Content that, yeah, let's have a look here. Blueprint. Okay. Scroll up. Behavior tree. Blueprint behavior tree tutorial. Okay. So I'm going to follow along this tutorial. I believe this was the one written by Steve Hardister, or someone else wrote it, and yeah. But it's a pretty good one. I've actually gone through this one before, so we're going to go over that one. I'm going to post the link here in chat if anyone is interested. There you go. You're more than welcome to follow along with what we're going to be doing, and hopefully things haven't changed too much, because it is a fairly old tutorial. So top-down project. We're going to name the project exactly what he named it, My Behavior Tree. Create project. And let's just let that run. Oh, right. I forgot closing the launcher reopens it still. Just so you guys know, that is on our list of things that we're at least looking at. I don't know if it'll actually ever be fixed or when or what, but it is at least on our radar. Of annoying things that happen while messing around in the editor. Okay, so now we are in top-down project, and we're going to go ahead and create a NavMesh bounds volume. And I'm going to scale it to, let's say, 5,000, 5,000, and 500, because we just needed it big enough to well, I guess 1,000 maybe. You were really fighting me today. Fine. There we go. I wanted to see the nav mesh. That's all I wanted. Okay. It says to create blueprint AI controller. That one. AI controller. You know, I bet you it was because it was a pawn and not a character. AI character. We use the character blueprint this time, not the pawn blueprint. Going into the AI character, and we are going to set in the class defaults the thing to our AI controller, which apparently we shouldn't name it AI controller. We should name it, like, let's go with just AI control. That way it's different from the AI controller in editor. Because, yeah, that's important. Okay. Add a mesh. Kind of partial to my cube. I actually kind of liked my cube. And 0.5, 0.5, point. No point, because it's right about the size I want. Compile, save, save. That way, if I destroy anything again, creating Blackboard data. Okay, here we go. Miscellaneous. I said miscellaneous. And Blackboard. AI Blackboard. AI behavior tree. And okay, so in the Blackboard, we're going to create a vector, and we're going to call that target points. Don't have to. Yeah, this is from so long ago that it was back when behavior trees were considered experimental and you had to turn them on in the experimental list. There we go. Next, we're going to create our task. AI task. Execute. That's the finish execute. Execute. And receive execute. Boom. There we go. So we've got receive, finish. Excellent. Let's see. Okay. We need to create a variable. of type blackboard key select.